Hi guys, Phil Morgan here, and I want to talk today about a new product coming out, about now actually, called Elite Listings. If you want to make money on the internet, you cannot buy the €10 products that are promising to make you 4K a day. It doesn't work. The guys that are selling you that's how they're making their money. The other way they make their money is with the list, because every time you buy something, you go onto a list, and you will know, as well as I do, that they email you the next product and the next product and the next product. And that's how they make their money, by list building. That's why one particular guy, Brendan Mace, he'll make a product and then 6 months later he'll give it away for nothing. He's made his money off the product, and by giving it away he's still collecting email addresses for new people, which gives him a list to email to sell the next product. So the only way you're going to compete with this or make money on the internet, particularly in the internet on the make money market, is by building your own list. This is what Elite Listings is all about. I'm just going to move this out the way for a minute, if I can remember which button to press. There we go. So this is called Elite Listings. I'm not going to go through it in detail because on the page I put these little click here buttons. Go over there and look at the full page and description from the guy who's made it. A guy called Darren. He knows what he's doing and he's making money, and he's going to show you how to make money with list building. He's got some choices in there on how to do this. You've got a couple of choices when you go, and this all starts for about $12, by the way. And I just check one thing before I go on. It might still be there. It takes a while to load up when the camera's on between the two pages. But I noticed when I went into the site, which is saying $12, what I'm trying to show you is a discount voucher came up for $5 if you scoot out of it. So when you go over to the site, just take your mouse out of it comes up, because I know that some guys put it in and take it out. It's a new software product. It's so easily described, but let Darren do the descriptions. I'll let you read through the bits here. It's an innovative way to make your money and to scale, get the product and sell it as your own. You can go through this yourself and have a read, but on the link below, because I'm on YouTube, and the link below you can get the access to this. To get access to Darren's page where the explanation is in far more detail, just click on these buttons. It is a good deal, it's dirt cheap. And again, in all honesty, the reason it's dirt cheap is because he's got a brilliant product. He knows that people are going to buy it, and he's building his own list. We're doing it, and then we'll market other products. So he's actually using his own methods. When he set this method up and tested it, he was making money in, I think he said, about 17 hours of starting. So he started, used his own process, made money within that same day. So it's not a rubbish claim that you usually see. He has done that, and he had no reason to lie. If it was 2 days, he'd have said it was 2 days. So this is a quick setup. This is a quick way of making money, because apart from building your list, it shows you how to make money with that list as you're making it. I put down some details here on the extras that you can get with it. So your front end, I said 12, starts at $11. I saw a $5 discount on that as well. He's got some extra bits in there, another $10 to increase it. You're getting more with it. So again, let him explain this. What happens when you buy this? You go in, you pay your $10 or even $5 if you get it. They say thank you very much. Then he'll go through all of the upsells, they call them, with you. And if you say no to, say, I'll show you here, OTO to upsell 27, and you're going to get with it access to some extra pieces to help with this. If you say no to that, he'll reduce the price and just take away part of that offer. But go through those. The upsells really are very good value actually with him. I've seen some upsells before that I think are not fair, shall we say, but these are honest upsells. This second one for $10 is really worth it. So if you bought those two only, you're on for $15. That's a whole lot. And you get a guarantee with this, which I've actually forgotten to put on this page. You get a 30-day guarantee with it. So that's the upsells you're going to get with it. Also, for the $10 you're going to pay, or $10.95 less the $5 if you get it, I've included a shed load of bonuses for you. You can all read this. That's in there. There's two there, another one there. This is a great one, by the way. This is actually from Darren, not me, this one. It's 9 alternative traffic methods. Traffic is everything in this business. The more traffic you get, the more money you're going to make. The more pointed the traffic, the more money you're going to make. You don't want to blast 1 million people that are not interested in making money online. You want to blast 1,000 people who are interested. So this is just ways of getting traffic. Secrets of Instagram and Twitter. I like YouTube, so I put a fair bit of stuff on YouTube on here for you. This is all free. These are all products that have sold, and you're getting them for nothing when you buy the elite listings through this link that I've showed you where it is already. So there's the link. I know that Darren's product is good. I know Darren's honest with it, and if he says he made money in a day, so go ahead and just click on these buttons here and check out his page. He will go into it in more detail. He'll explain what he's giving you rather for the money. And I would say check it out. You've got misspelling there, I've just noticed, and check it out. It's cost you nothing to look at it. And if he can make money in a day, I'm sure you can make money in a few days, because he would have done it quicker. But you've got 30 days to try it. So from me, go for it. Life's difficult for a lot of people at the moment. Not everyone. A lot of people are looking for alternatives to the 9 to 5. I actually live in Spain. I live near the coast. So many people out of work because, again, just today, funnily enough, they've closed all the bars in the area for the next 2 weeks. This is people with no income. There's a lot of people worldwide looking to make money. This is a great way to start building your list and start making money. And he made $70, I think he says, in the first day. I mean, if you did that 5 days, that's $350, that's $1,200 in a month. This is not a job. So if you have a job, this is an aside, and there's plenty of time for you to do that. This is not a lot of time to set this up. He set it up very, very quickly. And it will help you make money. And once you start making the money, once you start building the list, then the income increases. So this is a beginning. This is the building blocks of the beginning, and then you learn how to scale up. So take care. Click on the button. Go and have a look at the system. See what you think of it. If you buy it for that, you're going to get all of these bonuses free anyway. And I'll be honest, the bonuses are worth more than you're going to pay for the product. So I would say buy the product and get the bonuses, but that's just one way of looking at it. So you take care, go ahead, look at it and see what you think. My email address I will put on this page, it's not on there at the moment, and I'd love you to let me know what you think of it. So take care, look after yourselves, and I hope you enjoy the product.